We do want some pear now. Years. 9 years.
I was about to say 10.
9 years.
But they say it not finish.
Yeah, I have one next piece underneath the I'm gonna be putting a little red label wine. That's another one. The man them always not chipping for do nothing to make it easier. This is a pretty girl, pretty baby. She's so shy. Hey YouTube family. Good morning. Blessed Thursday to you and the fam bam. Hope that when this video reaches you, you and the family will all be okay and all of that. Me, I'm giving thanks. We are here. Me and the fam bam. We know first time people that say we know we are worse. Come on girl inside of the kitchen with me. We're gonna cook some food. And we just gonna cook one little meal when we know say a whole lot of people try to discriminate. I don't eat that. We're gonna cook tin mackerel, dumpling and green bananas. That's what we're gonna be cooking. So I just want to make sure that you're having a good day. Everything is okay with the fam bam and all of that. Giving thanks. Yes, we had some rains. I want to know, so we did have some turbo rain. And some still fell little, but not much. We have some wash away and all of that. Don't know when I'll be going back to the country. I don't know if the road is block up there or what. But I'm giving thanks and so forth. So a long time I'm not going on a channel phone. So we're just going to be making something simple today, like I wanted rice, but the rice not here. So we just have to resort to dumpling and green bananas. I just want to do it fast. I don't mean not too much of the white rice these days, but I just want to do it fast with a look white rice and tin mackerel. But I don't have no white rice, so I'm just sick of it. Dumpling and banana, because I have that. So hope you're having a good day. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for leaving your comments. Those of you who are following us on all our channels, we just want to thank you and all of that. Thanks for the comments, so loved. I appreciate them. Some of them are so motivating and all of that. And even some of the trolls too. You know, them just motivate you to make you be stronger. So I'm going to go now. My dish cloth here. I'm going to wash up. And then I'll catch you back in the next clip. Okay? So family, me over here, so I do look, me end up have a do look fine tuning over upon the stove. I can't do this stuff today. You know when you get that greasy something there, all of them something there, look here. I'm not even, I get no water because we only get water in the, me look dark over here, so I want water. We only get water in the, like, I feel so dark. I want one for me.
It's not dark.
We only get water at night. Oh, it's better now. I only get water at night. You only get water at night, so a few months now. So I did so glad when we see the rain come the other day. I thought they would have given us water straight through now, but we still not getting it at night. But make you know look so I bleach up last night and things say enough would have come for me to get to do some laundry. No come. You say hi to the fam camera girl?
Hi girl.
She in there eat snack. So over here so I do look fine tuning fam before I put on the something because sometimes that do the dishes but you know don't know it not do to my soul. So I realize the stove never so 100, so I try go and clean down the stove. All that is something there. Before I start the little. Yo fam, black stove are the worst stove to clean. Here? Comment and tell me. It is the worst stove. So I have to go get some a little bleach water to wipe down with the grease. But not now. I have to cook some food. But I just get the stove. The dishes are clean, but the stove it wants a little fine tune sitting. You know, like a fine tuning something there. I mean, I have a big kitchen enough. I mean, I have a stush kitchen, so that's work with what me have. So I'm a camera girl today, you know, say exams and all of them sitting there over me and I wrap pan like that and so. Camera girl, you can cook if you can. No, she can make dumpling. Of course you can make dumpling. Don't, you can peel banana, you never peel banana. You never peel banana, eh?
Just planting.
Planting. Like you peel planting, you can peel banana. Planting had have to peel.
Or just the stain of the banana.
And planting have stain too. So fam, I got finish do that little fine tuning with the stove. And then when we start cook, I catch your back. You see? I bring on in pan every little thing what I do now. You see me I say real kitchen, real Debbie, and all of that. So catch you. Huh?
It's banana here.
So put it in nice and put it what is a nice thing. Oh, sure. Turn on that stove there little for me. I am back. Only last see me I make dumpling. Now see now? Yeah. Me I make dumpling. I'm making dumpling. You know, so I still look like me and have a little dark area. How I want.
I think your eyes are dark.
Me eye then dark. When you hear that part, family.
It's fine, I can see myself.
Yeah, me too. What's the banana then? The banana here look tough though. I don't know why. What's that? Family look. A tough banana they made that go by. Show some water. Alright, I'm going to pass me on this. I don't want this something boy. Lord help us. Get scallion now. Get scallion and pepper. Look if me have any ripe pepper. I don't think so. Put down that this. Put it down, let me see. Put it on the table.
And this is some chopsticks.
Family, me just use up my base on water now, please.
You want the chopsticks? I want this.
Not yet, I'm not quite ready. I use it up, but I'm not quite ready.
Okay, so let's put this back in.
Yeah, I'm not going to put my water
Alright,
right.
here it is. Water to drink?
Yeah, I think I have some that I was drinking. Why this thing on me a sweat? It look like the in the kitchen. Nothing must dip on me.
You want lime, right?
No, I don't want to lie in it here right now. I'm hungry. Pull this up. You pull it? Come in, fam. Tell me if you like tin mackerel. I don't know if I like it. You like it, my girl? I'm never gonna say Jerry love it, but I remember we eat it. But I honestly prefer it with the rice as opposed to dumpling.
Don't like rice.
I know you don't like rice, but we never have no rice.
I'll eat it.
Or the parboil.
The best thing for you is that fried dumpling.
Yeah, bread too, it's nice with that do a bread. Yeah, but it's nice with fried dumpling. Make sure there's something fried dumpling and
It's already boiling. Why would I eat fried dumpling and boiled
banana.
banana?
And tip mackerel. Of course you can eat fried dumpling and boiled banana.
No.
Come in family, yeah, of course you can't eat
I
two
don't
fried
eat
dumpling.
it.
You're lucky. From the day you're born, I'm gonna never take you. Come in fam, we can eat boiled dumplings and boiled bananas and fried dumplings.
Fried food at the
Of
side.
course, people do it, yeah.
It's already a
But I used to see it before, like when we were in the country as a little girl. But since me come out town here, some see people, like when you see them buy breakfast, them buy dumpling and banana, cook dumpling and banana, and a fried dumpling, them ask beside them buy different. Some people eat different, you know, everybody just eat
if it's
different.
like a different little...
No,
container.
them just put a fried dumpling in a food container with stew, beef, liver. I don't know, whatever. I don't know. Some people just eat them weird. Come in, fam. Do you eat like a fried dumpling with your boiled dumpling and your banana and your yam? Please come in. Yeah. Me I wait for the water to boil. And but there's something in him. Look at starting right now. I want my kidney boil look like a gas must see it done. Real kitchen. Debbie Deb's real kitchen to Jamaica. Realer than West Indian delights. This is what this channel is all about, or will be all about. You're gonna get some more realness from us as we go along. I'm gonna get it more realer. And as the time goes on, and when things start to be different, you'll see as we go on. So just make sure you're subscribed if you have not yet subscribed. When you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. We have been slacking up a bit on some videos. I realize I don't like the video that when me and Plum go shop. But that's why, because sometimes I figure out everything. We've been slacking up a bit because up and down our country, and I know I'm busy and getting things done and all of that. So it's taking a little you know, extra time. And all of them sitting. Water want boil up little more for put in dumpling. Catch you? Dumpling I put in a pot form. And we're gonna mix some butter that I'm gonna mix in. I'm gonna ask that just come. I'm gonna ask that to mix some lemonade. Yeah, some big lemon. I think you have seen all those who are on all of my channels. I'm gonna mix some ice cold lemonade. So it's gonna be dumpling, cornmeal dumplings, green banana, steamed mackerel, lemonade. Yeah. Comment and tell me if you like that meal. Some people don't really say them not eat mackerel, but me have to eat it. Me have to eat mackerel. You see, and jack mackerel, I'm using jack mackerel today. Jack mackerel is not cheap. Comment and tell me. But today is Ben Johnson Day, by the way, so this I got ready by about 11:30, 12. So I'm now going to cook again, maybe a little snack for dinner. I went to make my breakfast, so I went on the road earlier, did a little business, come back some of this, and we didn't make dinner yesterday either. We didn't make dinner on Wednesday. And every time I cook in a farm, I tell you all the while, sometimes I cook, some days when I'm cooking and the next day. For days, week and add. I'm not bother with just rough it out with liquor dryers. That's how I do it, you know. I always tell you that. So, give them dumpling there some time for cook. Me have my 2 tin of mackerel, understand? 2 tin of mackerel. Mackerel. Got me some tomato. I tell you, say onion in a family, onion are going bad, you know. I never know onion is so expensive. Me have my onion. I wash my mackerel because I just in the corner shop go buy them. Yeah, Jamaica. Yeah, and all the money they forgot supermarket go buy them. I just buy it at the corner shop. I put some water in this. I think I wash this. I don't think I peel all of the banana here though. We don't need all of the banana here.
What are you doing?
What?
Oh yeah, wash it off.
Yeah, I'm ready to peel the banana yet.
Okay.
I dumpling myself the dumpling I have to cook halfway first, you know, my dear.
Okay.
In my Debbie's cooking. Family, comment and tell me if you put in banana before dumpling. I see a lot of people do it that way. Nah, not them, but that's not my style at all. When you're cooking bananas and dumpling, what do you put in first? Bananas or dumpling? You put dumpling first and make it boil halfway, and then depending on the banana, if it's soft, when the dumpling I must cook, put in the banana. Because some of the bananas are so soft. But that one it look like it tough and panish down and tough, it look tough. You know, people might ask, how do you know, Debbie? When you experience, remember me a country girl in a farm. I'm a country girl, so I know when a banana is likely to be soft from when it's not likely to be soft. Remember I have that experience there from a child growing up. You look funny when I say banana, you look like banana, we could have go right. Some of this are going to be about 4. About 7. Right? I'm not quite ready for do that yet, eh? Pass Mr. Antoine for me. So, yeah, I'll cut up them something here now. What the sweet pepper? I'm not going to pass. The bell pepper, look a girl. Look a young miss. Let me come from time for them again. Pass the bell pepper, give me. I may have some left back scallion from the other day. I'm going to use it. But they just cover it up with piece of plastic wrap, put it in the fridge. I can't afford for throwing it. Oh darling, can't afford me cut up my tomato them. So can't afford for throwing up. I don't even know how much a pound for the onion if I 3, 4. How much? How much 1,000 a pound? I don't know how much a pound for the onion. Family, I haven't been to the farmer's market in donkey years. So I don't know, I'm just sketch to look or something in the supermarket. And so I don't know. I honestly don't. Some people were saying to shop online when I was showing it my plumber. Look here. The online shopping in Jamaica, they like to shop online for things inside Jamaica. I saw you go Mackerel shopping online in for things inside Jamaica. I mean, I think it's a work. What do you think?
Oh,
What they mean, you know, is that I am to like shop online before I go, and as opposed to go on tools and a search. That now work because for them online not show you nothing much. Them a merchant sitting in Jamaica, it no, you know. Is it so?
yeah.
It doesn't show you a lot. So you have to just go in person and just go try jump around where you want. That's how it go. But I through the COVID something, man. But outside of that, everything good. It wasn't for the like a pandemic something. You go in and you know you have to pick something, you just go spend a little time. But we're not vast like that. Shopping online, staying in Jamaica and shopping online. For outside stuff, for things outside of Jamaica, that works well. Right, come on, girl?
Yeah.
But for stay at Jamaica now, and trying to stop. I don't have water in the pipe, fam. Me I cut up my little onion and all of them little something there. Dumpling over this a bubble and all of that. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, and if you're new right on over here, please leave me a comment below. And try to look at what I'm doing. Me know me there far from and pat the far. Come on, girl, look at me there far. Them not even last in my pot. No, sir. I can't up look further, fam. I'm not sitting there in there at la cover. I don't know, right? So, I take off them something. Then I can go here. I'll wash them. But these not for cutting, these are the flip back. So this is so convenient. I go wash them. Because them they just come. Not like that. Somebody asked, what is all of that all about? That's what somebody asked. What is all of that? What is it about? It's just about me. That's just my thing. And all of that, if you're new here, that's just my little thing, okay? So this family could something them. So me I go fix up. I want some black pepper and little well there's something in there. White this vinegar, me white vinegar, so I can't pepper it too much in a farm because dad don't him on the spice business. Him on the spice business not very. Nearest aisle to me, it me I use. Oh, that thing they want dry out somewhere. The nearest oil I've got to me, that's what I'll be using. So me have my dark sugar. Them can't see sugar, my dark sugar and my lime. Me show them my lime already, you know. The bowl sugar give me. So them big. And my buckle of dark sugar. That I go mix lemon in. Yep. One little black pepper. Pew. So I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna start fry up my little seasoning and sitting. Why you take so long for dry out? Why your problem? So after that now, we do the tin mackerel then. We can it is so hard when the water now run from me. Hard. I'm not light hard. I'm not full. It's hard. I'm going to wash off the two tin of mackerel then now. It's fine with it, I just go underneath the tin with something there. You'd have go under the running water and just wash them. God. Me and it this year again, but look here. When I notice how I take it calmer this year though. I'm telling you, so me a plan. But COVID slowed down things, innit? If it wasn't for the little pandemic, I would have been further. You know what me I do? Mood in this right now. Don't see me I saw in this. Me have a plans then, yeah. But so it goes sometime. I'm saying man a plan and God a wife. No so? Yeah, you might notice the last year I'm stressed though, but this year I'm not stressing at all about it. And as me say, if me never did just take down the fittings from the top, I would have the color running there. I'm just take it down, I can't bother. And so me I say, so make that a little more while me something there. So dumpling I cook halfway Why? So I'm going to fix up, fry, cook up my mackerel and stuff. Pass one of them something there. No, sir, sitting wrong in there. One piece of anchovy. Sitting wrong in this place and business. Wow! When this thing is on, it gives extra heat. So, I can't say this for cooking with me again because you don't cook nothing. You just look. Piece more for. Oh, I think I dry the mackerel them already. Eh?
I am here to eat.
You're here to eat? I want the people in the area, stir them area. Me also stir them area. There, there, finiam. You say just say. Are that just say? Are you right? You did 2 years back here? So the look, cook up. I go on the pot of this. I prepare to put the mackerel down into. See? Yeah. Wow. That's rich and nice, red and nice. Some of them are so. Like the batch them, some of the batch them. You can't even say that one already, you see it? Yeah. Some look something them break down. Oops! Where you going? My mackerel spoon, keep on a long spoon. Oh, it's in there, you know, so my head I go. Oh, I don't want it break up, you know. I don't want it mince up. I turn down the stove. Just I break like one piece in a 2 or 3. Jack mackerel. Wow. And just so put in my little vinegar. And of course, my little black pepper. That's about it. One little more pepper but chew that. So when I eat for me, I put in my little extra pepper. Dad, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
So look now fam. Oh, the girl, I feel like your belly are roll. Why? So you show them the dumpling pot over here. So. Dumpling a bubble. Right time now, you see them? Yeah, you see them? Yeah. Half cook, right time now for putting nana. I will carry down the flame little. So, yeah man, I have a mackerel so simmer me a simmer. And sometimes some of them need like a pinch of salt, but see it fam? Nice skin mackerel. Chat about you not eat mackerel. You not eat mackerel. I have to name me. Sorry. So it I go stay there and simmer. You know, low. So look here. Me I go get little oil now on my hands and I'm gonna peel my bananas. Dad? Draw near. Me not call you. Me I tell him what you're gonna do.
Lemonade.
Yeah, that draw near for mix. Lemonade. Oh yeah, so nice. Nice and country. Next clip fam. I shame family banana then soft. I shame cold. Look at them all and break up. Wow. I'm so ashamed. What should I have to look for food water there fight? I look at dumpling water there fight. Eat them dumpling you want.
That's true.
Starvation be fine today.
I always eat two.
You always eat 2 dumplings? How much banana? 1? Them should have know that. No, they don't have. Banana them soft. They are really soft. We do want some pear though, family, but Dad say money did done. Let him sit here. But he never have enough money. If you buy pear and we dumpling, them I run out of the plate. I want dumpling. That good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for this our meal. Amen. So, YouTube family, this is where it's at. You see, some of put in all pepper, some of put in little black pepper. And Daddy give me like in the fill up my cup, if I call him fill up my cup. I want to look more too. So, this is where the box stops. Let me look at tin mackerel meal. I'm gonna go enjoy some food. I haven't had anything from morning except a cup of Aurelia tea. I hope you know Aurelia. And let me take a look at my lemonade, cool me down. The fan pan the AC just around us, so I just start feel cool now. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, remember to give me a big fat thumbs up. Remember to make sure you're subscribed. Remember to leave your comments below. Make me talk. Remember, I'm not sure I will eat meet and greet, but go to my Instagram page, eat meet and greet. All who want to get on to me, I've got a business number there. Check it out, get on to me, and all of that. We're still making preparations though, but we're not sure as yet. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support, and post notifications will run on the screen. And until we see you again on this camera, it's gonna be ciao.